Fiza Ali is one of the senior actresses in the Pakistani drama and film industry. To this day, she is so smart and fit that no one thinks she has been married twice in her life. And while virgin girls ask her the secret of her beauty, because at the moment she is 40 years old but she still looks 20 years old. Fiza Ali no longer works in new Pakistani dramas and films because she lacks time. But she still takes the time to show up hosting a morning show or hosting a program on a private TV channel. Let us tell you one thing here, that she also has a daughter from her first husband, but she is divorced from her first husband. Apart from acting, Fiza Ali is very much seen in modeling photo shoots, as every designer wants to make this smart and fit girl her model. Because any designer suit she wears looks like a princess. And that's why she appears in some marketing photo shoot during the week. And many girls try to copy her style. But in today's article we will see that when Fiza Ali wore a Kashee's designer dress, she looked like a photocopy of Indian actress Kareena Kapoor. While some people started saying that it does not seem that this girl is the mother of a daughter. So let's take a look at her new bridal photo shoot. Do you guys also love Fiza Ali bridal photo shoot? If so, don't forget to tell us in the comments section below. Thanks.